What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, you guessed it again, but this is a kind of like a mod video. I'm actually gonna be installing a rear view camera. Yes, because this one doesn't have one, so I want to make it so it does have one, so that way it kind of just to make the car like a little more modern, because I work at a body shop and like all the cars have backup cameras, so now I'm like, dang, I should have a backup camera. So I'm gonna put a backup camera in this, and I'm jacking the wheel up, or this side up, because I'm gonna roll this quarter out a little bit more, so that way I can drive a little lower. Let me see the other side. Oh yeah, the other side's like fine, like no rubbing at all. Maybe. Yeah, nothing. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna see how it goes. So give me a minute and I will take that off, put the fender roller on, and we'll see how it goes, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, so got the quarter rolled. It's a little better than what it was, but I might need to freaking like buy a different fender roller or something, but yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get for right now. And now I'm already putting in the wiring for the camera, as you can see right there. Alright guys, so the camera died. Well, it didn't die, but it ran out of memory. But basically I'll show you what I did. So the RCAs are right here, and then it goes down through here. I put it through the grommet right there, and I routed it from the headliner. I kind of pushed it just into this plastic, the top piece, and I'll show you guys right now. Like I kind of took this rubber down. Here, I'll show you. And you can see that's where it runs right there. I feel like this is the easiest way, just because you don't have to take any of your interior pieces off except for the hatch, like the hatch piece. And then it runs all the way through here. I run it down through here, and then slipped it through here inside, and then it comes out over here. So now all I need to do is connect it to my reverse gear signal input. That's gonna go to that red one. We use this butt connector, and then I'll put this back together. That's almost here, but anyways, I'll put it all back together, and I'll show you guys what it is. I'm not expecting too much, because this camera was like $20. The whole kit was $20, so I'm not too worried about it, as long as I'm able to see when I reverse at least a little bit. That's all that I care about. Either way, I'm gonna be upgrading my stereo soon, so let me get it all buttoned back up and butt connected, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a minute. So I'll be right back. And then one more thing too, I bought this charger. I'm gonna be putting it in the stereo and then routing it through the outside. I'll show you guys that, but you already know you can't go wrong with a Modelo, guys. Cheers. You already know how it is. So I'm gonna butt connect this. I'll show you guys this right now. So with these butt connectors, they actually heat shrink as well. So then what I usually do is, when it's warm, I'll kind of just squish the ends down. And we'll call that good. So let me put this back together, and then, you know what? Yeah, I'll put this back together. Not back together. I'm just gonna pop this in here and put a couple screws in there, and then I'm gonna turn it on and see what it looks like. So give me a minute, guys. Alright guys, I got the camera installed. inside. Ugh. So, reverse. Bam. Yep. So, you know, I think this install was successful. I was able to roll my quarter a little bit more. Got the camera put in. Now I'm gonna wash the car because it's dirty. But yeah, guys, it's probably gonna be the last step to this, and then I'm probably gonna head out. So I'm gonna end the video right here. It was just a short video, just camera install and rolling the quarter. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.